A lead sphere of diameter 48.6 centimeters has a mass of 6.852 times 10 raised to the 5 grams. Calculate the density of lead. Okay, so let's solve this problem step by step. The first thing that you're going to do is to find the radius of the lead sphere. So if you can recall the formula of the radius, or your R, that is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So in the problem, we are given the diameter, which is 48.6 centimeters. So you just simply divide it by 2. So if you do that, you will get 24.3 centimeters. Now the problem says that the shape of the lead is a sphere. So the next step is to get the volume of the sphere. So if you can recall your geometry class, the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 of pi times radius squared, cube, not squared, cube. So 4/3 pi r cubed. So let's substitute the values. So we have 4/3. So for pi, let me just use an approximated value. Let's just use 3.1416 times the radius that we just solved, 24.3 centimeters, and then you cube that. So if you solve this in your calculator, so 4/3 times 3.1416 times the cube of 24.3, you will get approximately 60,104.7 cubic centimeters. Okay, so now that we have the volume, we can now calculate for the density of lead. So again, just recall the formula for density. Density is just the mass over volume. And the mass is already given in the problem. That's 6.852 times 10 raised to 5 grams divided by the volume of the sphere, which we just solved. That is 60,104.7 cubic centimeters. So if you solve that in your calculator, you will get approximately 11.4 if you round it off, and the unit will be grams on top per cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer to the problem.